In the last video, we talked about clipboard and font of the home tab. Today we are looking at alignment and number. So alignment has these commands. We use it to align text, to place text on particular area or a desired area of our cell or on the page itself. So we'll merge these cells to practice with it. So by default it comes with bottom and center alignment. That's for the merge. So let's type something that we'll use. This is bottom center, this place. Now we can take it to to center middle. As we remove this one, activate this one. This is center middle. We have center top, we have left top, left middle, left bottom. Then we have right bottom, right middle, and right top. We can as well change indentation, as provided we don't have anyone here activated. We can see use the indentation if we activate it, but it's clear when you don't have it at all. You can adjust the indentation by increasing it, and if it gets too much, you can reduce it by decreasing it in indentation. You can still leave it in the middle for your indentation, you see, and it will still work, but a kind of in a different manner. So we have orientation here. Right now we have just the vertical one active, or we can still use it if you are not using indentation. We have all active. We have text wrap. If the text gets wider than our cell, we can use, see, it's not all showing, we can use our text wrap to cut it to the second line, to a second line, or even more, as if it is really long. So our text wrap will bring down the second line, and if it is in the middle or the center middle, you can see it quite okay. So this is how to achieve this. We have number. Number is just a kind of adding or reducing decimal places and displaying a currency or percentages on our job. Like if we were working with numbers 10,000, 20,500, and all of that, we can use accounting to format this so that we have dollar sign, because it's a currency. We have commas within our values. Then we can choose a different currency by pointing to a different one and activating it. If we want to have percentage written, we can write our value and then we'll activate it with percentage. This is actually calculated. Then the decimal place, we have 2 decimal places, so we can choose to increase it or to decrease it.